So we are here with Action Alex, traffic stop, and in the course of his traffic stop,
You get me okay?
that's what he came. No, I'm not putting you on camera. That's what he came across. So technically, if you have a permit to carry, you can carry those, but it's still pretty scary.
For real?
Oh, those are scary.
Ain't nothing but a 9.
Yeah, I know, but it got a long magazine. It looks very deadly. Is it converted or not?
What's that mean?
It's all automatic.
Oh, hell no.
Okay.
That's super illegal right there.
Yeah. How'd you bend the barrel? Tell me the story of how you bent the barrel.
What was I doing? I think I was moving something, and then I was moving it, and then for some reason it wouldn't move, so I just kept on trying to move it.
Yeah.
But then the whole time that was like that.
Okay. So you dropped it or you bent it?
Dropped it a few times. Bent
Yeah.
it.
All right. How's your driving record?
Oh, I'm clean.
That's good. How come it smells like marijuana?
My baby mama smokes.
Okay. All right. Thought I'd show him that little weapon there.
I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to hit that button.
Maplewood 4471 Box
Is that chase still going on?
Still on MS 694 White Barrel. Let you know if they cross the two.
There's a Maplewood.